And what's up guys, it's Hanshep here for a new video, and today I'm gonna Minecraft. Yeah, it's episode 3. So we're gonna finish off the thing by doing I don't know, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Oh, I know, let's get some wood. Where's my, there you go. Do I have some wood on me? Yes I do. But yeah, let's get that wood done. Let's place them here and here to make like cardboard. Yes. Okay, super. Now let's get some wood. Yeah. Oh no, fall in the. Is there some clay in there? Clay. Oh yeah, there is clay. Is that clay? Is that even clay? Yes, it is clay. So let's get some of the clay. In the water is more slower, and when you're doing like this, I don't know why when you like break something. Oh, there's some charcoal. Booyah! We found some charcoal. Booyah! Oh yeah! Let's gather all of this up. Oh man! It's not fast at all. Come on, quick! I want this coal. This nice coal. I want that coal. Oh no! You must be kidding me. Like, come on! I want that coal. There. And another one. But get up. Get down. Quick! I don't have that to do all day. I have to cut some wood. Yeah. Let's get the clay. Yeah, there wasn't too much clay because really I don't know why. Sorry for is my mom shouting, yeah, basically. And when am I gonna have all of this clay and charcoal? I don't know. Anyone know? Yeah. Now, oh yeah, the charcoal. I need the charcoal though. I need the charcoal. Come and get the charcoal. I don't wanna suffer. No, you want it. There you go. Again and again. But at least we get some charcoal. Oh, yo. Oh, yes. Yes. There you go. So, how much clay did we manage to okay, that's it. I'm gonna get so much wood. Just like so. All of these trees. Yeah, come on. Be destroyed. Give me that wood. Thank you, mister. We need to go fast with an axe, a stone axe, surely. Oh, come on. Yeah, I don't need that glass. Okay, there we go. There we go. So let's get some wood again and again and again and again and again and again and again. No. I know, I got all of them in block of clay. Sorry, but I have to. and again, and again, and the last one. There you go. Fine. Yeah. Let's get that wood down. There we go. Again. We need to get so much wood though. Yeah, yeah. There. There we go. So now let's craft some stuff, shall we? Yeah. So now I'm gonna make some really cool design. This. Yeah. I love designs. So let's make the one design. So basically this is the front. So we're gonna make something. I'm gonna make that. I don't know. What should I make? Oh, I know. I have the perfect idea. No. In the other way around. Oh yeah. I have to do it this way. Yep, there we go. Oh no. And again. Okay, so that's what I want. Now, I have to do this, and now I'm gonna break again. I think today's episode we're gonna just finish the house, part 2 maybe. It isn't boring after all, because it's designed too. That's awesome. I have 4. And yes, that's why they're cool. Pretty cool design. My stone axe gonna break. There. Yeah, there we go. That's a pretty cool design. Now, let's make it upper. Should we do like this? No. That's not what I wanted. We shouldn't do it like this. Let's do it like this. Okay, this isn't working. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna finish our glass with this. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh yeah. I know what is it. It is doing that because it is there we go, slabs I think, I guess. Yeah, there we go. Pretty cool design. Let's get it again, this one. Yeah, my stone axe already had died. Yeah, pretty cool design. I like that. And if you like my designs, then I don't know what will you do. And we like basically some stuff. So what did I wanted is I can make half cardboard over there, but then I can don't know. Oh, I know what should I do. I know. Basically, we're gonna just make a table. So this is how I make a table. Basically, what do you do is you basically like this. Oh my days, the last glass. Yeah, basically I do that. Then I do it again there, and then I put a half slab there, and should that make a, and then in the yeah, just there. I can do that, and there we go. Pretty cool line. And you know what should I do? I should cook the clay that I have ingredients to make some bricks, and then with the bricks, I can get some flour, and I can make pots of flower that I can put it on the table that I just made. Yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, we finished the kitchen, I believe. Yeah, when you just like slabs, let's make some slabs. There. So now those this way. Yes, I guess so. We're just gonna do that and up to, and we gonna close it, and again what should we do? Let's do it over here, and it's finished. Now let's make again some, the last one. They're the last two, I mean. Here and again. Yeah. So this is how I finish all of my, basically. Oh, I can't make one there. Let's make over here. Oh, I don't know. Should I put it here? I don't know. Oh wow! Are you gonna play with me? Yeah. So I guess I can make 2 more, and that's it. All done. So there we go. All cupboard made. And yeah, finish. The kitchen finished. Now, how many minutes are we? Okay. So we are like okay. So we are at. We had 11. So we're just gonna make the furnace. Yeah, there we go. And now I can make some pots. And pots. I can make 2. Then I can put them here. Here again. Oh, I can't put pots there. Oh, that's annoying. Just gonna put them here. Should I do one again? Yeah, I think I should do one again. Again and again. Just one. Only one. Yeah. Then after we have those pots full, I think we can leave with some dandelion flowers. These are flowers. These flowers are really nice. These are yellow. I like yellow. Yeah. These good are yellow. So there we go. We got like 3 flowers. Then I'm gonna finish. So 1, 2, 3. There we go. That's beautiful. And whoops, I forgot to make the floor here. Oh no. Here and again there. And there. Oh no. I have to restart again. So guys, I hope you like this video, and basically the kitchen is done, and